Are you experiencing muffled sound on your iPhone? Don't worry. This video will help you to fix low volume on your iPhone. Hello geeks, my name is Yash and you're watching iGeeksBlog. If you're noticing that volume on your iPhone has gotten low along with time, then the very first solution that I would suggest you is to check your cases and your screen protector. Sometimes the phone cases and screen protectors that we use are a major reason why our iPhone is not able to produce sound that it used to before. If your phone case is bulky, then there's a pretty good chance that it might also be blocking the speakers, ultimately resulting to reducing the volume that you hear on your iPhone. But if you're experiencing low volume on call, then there's also a probability that it's not some speaker issue, not some hardware issue, but network issue. And in order to fix that, I would recommend you to put your phone on airplane mode and then removing it from same after a while. Or alternatively, you can also try restarting your iPhone. The third thing that you can do is tweak your settings. Go to settings, accessibility, audio visual, and toggle off for noise cancellation. Now there's also a probability that your iPhone speaker is now covered up with maybe dirt, maybe some pocket lint or something like that. So you can use some petrol or acetone, commonly known as nail polish remover, to clean your iPhone. These chemical solutions will clean your iPhone properly without damaging its internals. Next point might not sound obvious, but what I've noticed personally is updating your iPhone's iOS. Basically, updating your iPhone has helped me to fix volume on my iPhone. If your iPhone is already running on the latest iOS, then I would recommend you to reset your iPhone. But before you actually do that, just make sure you take backup of all your data. At this point, we have discussed about all the possible solutions that you can do on your own. But if your iPhone is still muffling, if your iPhone's volume has still not fixed, then I would recommend you to go to Apple's authorized service center. You see, Apple's authorized service providers are the professionals who can look inside your iPhone and can fix it for you. So do let me know in the comment sections down below if these solutions have helped you. If you like what you watched, then make sure you hit the like button and subscribe button to stay updated with everything Apple content. You're watching iGeeksBlog. My name is Yash and I'll see you in the next one.